Well, here we are on the rider in Vancouver, Fisherman's Wharf, and part of the reason for coming here was to get these fantastic solar panels fixed in place and functioning. The Sunbeam System is really good. As you can see, it really works well, even though it might be shadowed a bit, unlike some of them. And I have got two that have been fixed in place here on the stern, the stainless steel stern arch. So they're ready to go. They're actually stuck to a good support, which it should be. They're just waiting to be connected up, those two. So they're ready to go. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put one on the hard dodger here on the hard top. One's going to go in front of there, and a couple are waiting to go on a bimini if and when I put the bimini up. So that's going to have to be a slightly a kind of a more temporary thing. When the bimini's up, put the solar panels in place, and otherwise I've got the one on the hard top, I've got the one in front of it, and then I've got these two on the stern arch. So altogether 4 will be permanently in position, and 2 more can be put out, ready to go when I'm in a hot climate, basically, with lots of sunshine and a bimini in place. So that's something else. I'll have to figure out how to do that. But that's next week. That's coming up next week. That was something that I really want to get doing with my lithium batteries and the solar power. Wow, we should be doing really well on battery power in the future. So that's next week's one of next week's jobs.